Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and what we have here today is Frizzeel. You guys must be remembering Frizzeel, right? It is a lifestyle jewelry kind of subscription service. So they have a combo offer sort of thing for the month of let's say September, October. You can find it on their website, but right now the website is facing some glitches, so you can buy it from the Instagram page or from WhatsApp. So you will get 100 rupees discount by using the coupon code on screen, and the net price will be 15.99 for all the products. So before getting started, I have a giveaway announcement for you. 2 of you can win the velvet sling bag that is shown on the picture on the screen right now. So the rules are very simple. The rules will be in the description box. You have to follow us on Instagram, and pretty much that's it. So the giveaway will end like within a week. So do take part in it because Frizzeel bags are always of amazing quality. So yeah, coming back to our combo. First product in our combo is this gorgeous handbag. It is common for everyone, black color, same design. The material is really good. It's so soft. It feels so plush. And at the back side, there's a compartment. And this is the inside material of the compartment. See, the bag looks so classy. You can put it like a shoulder bag or like a handbag, whichever way. And you have a magnetic attachment here. Well, it's not a separate compartment, it's just a design, but it's so pretty. And it has one central compartment that divides the bag into 2. You have another compartment here where you can keep your money, and then there is one more zipper compartment to keep your cards and all, and here you can keep your mobile phone. So it's very well compartmentalized, and it comes with a longer sling as well if you want to use it like a shoulder bag. The sling quality and all is just really good. One thing I've always liked about Frizzeel bags is that the quality of the bags are just amazing. They don't look like, you know, the cheap quality non-branded bags that you see. The bag quality is just too good. So my mother has already laid her eyes on this one. So we are having a war as to who will win the bag. I might probably give it to her. So anyway, that is the first product, and I absolutely love this one. The second product is a jewelry piece, and you have a choice. So these are the available choices. The one that I went with is this pair of earrings. I always go with dangler, so this time I thought for a change I'll go with studs, and this is how the studs look like. Very beautiful and very elegant, something that goes with your daily wear, like, you know, salwar or jeans or whatever. It's like a timeless design, very pretty and very good quality as well. Not too big but not too small. So the next product is a very unique one. It is a nano sprayer, nano mist sprayer. I already have this one. My brother already bought it for dispensing the sanitizer. So you can charge it. Here you have the charging option. So basically you can fill this area with water, or my brother uses it for sanitizer, and if you press on this button, it will sanitize as fine mist. So the good thing is, even if it's water, if you want it like a mist on your face, you can do that. You can fill it with rose water or sanitizer like my brother uses, multiple ways, and it's a very convenient product. It's very easy to, you know, use, also very stylish to carry it with you in your bag, and comfortably you can use it. Next product that we have here is a water bottle. It's a glass bottle actually. Yeah, so the one that I received, it reads my bottle. It comes with a cloth covering, which is good because it gives a grip because it's glass bottle, and it has a metallic cap as well. So this is the bottle. I think it could be 300 ml looking at the quantity. Yeah, anywhere between 300 and 500 ml. You can remove this if you want to, but otherwise I think it's better to put it in your bag that way, so it gives a grip and it's nice. And glass bottle, well, a lot of us are now shifting to glass bottles, you know, saying goodbye to plastic bottles forever. So that's a good addition. The last one, which is again a random color for you, it will be it's a shoe pouch basically. So let's just look at the pouch otherwise. Let's forget the shoe aspect. Let's see how this can be a good organizer. So it has 2 compartments. This is the major compartment. So here you can store different articles. Here there is another meshy compartment. So I can use this also as my, you know, when you're traveling, I could use my, like, put my jewelry and my makeup stuff, and it could be like a 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 product. Then the next compartment is this. It's transparent also, so you can keep your other things here, and it's washable, entirely washable material also. Let's take a look at the picture. So this is how you compartmentalize. So basically you can put a flats here and here, and for this compartment, which okay, it opens up this much. Here you can store your second pair of shoes. So that is if you're using it as a shoe compartment, but otherwise you can use it like a regular gentle travel organizer sort of thing also. So yeah, these are all the products that I received in my Frizzeel combo. So I liked the bag quality the most. If you buy it individually from the page, I think it costs about 1100 or something. Everything is useful. Earrings is pretty simple. The water bottle that is washable, and the multi-purpose sprayer. My brother was so excited. He was like, see, even boxes are adding this product. He bought it a month ago and he was very excited to see it in the box today morning. Organizer or toiletries or jewelry or shoes. Truly multi-purpose. So yeah, these are all the products I really liked. I enjoyed unboxing, and I also like the quality of each and every product. So let me know what you guys think about it, and do not forget to take part in the giveaway. The links will be in the description box. So that's it. We will meet again. Until then, take care. Bye.